What's up, everybody? We are recording our first cooking video. Brooke and I here, also taking a story, and we are cooking peaches and biscuits.
Peaches are from the Peach Truck. This is sponsored by the Peach Truck. We love them. They're friends of ours. They live in Nashville, and they have a business where they sell fresh Georgia peaches nationwide.
Yep, you get them in a box. Basically, they get like picked, put in your shipping box, and they get shipped right to your door.
They pack up little pieces of heaven.
I'm never eating another peach again. This is it. This is all I'm gonna have.
So first thing we're gonna do is make the biscuits. If you wanna make this, you don't have to watch this video like
this video is more for your
over and over and over.
entertainment.
What you're gonna do is take your Bisquick. You can read it in the actual recipe.
Yep.
Boom.
Got it.
Really shit. So stressful.
Oh.
But in this type of biscuit,
delicious.
it's kind of like a shortbread, shortcake type deal.
What next?
Mix that up until it forms a lumpy dough. So these are often called drop biscuits because you don't even shape them into a ball or a biscuit.
Almost like you just drop them on their pan. Definitely a little back sweat happening. Not so much here or here, but just
right Nick Miller style. Where did that knife go?
This one?
It's so that they can go on top of or in between our biscuits. Babe, you're debuting your hands in cooking photos.
That's how much it is.
I'm gonna start a new sentence about biscuits are out, they're cooling. We're about to make homemade whipped cream. It's literally whipped cream. And they whip it until it forms soft peaks.
Do these go to 11?
Same joke. Really whip it. All the way.
Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it good. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it like you should. Whip it good, whip it good, whip it like you should. Whipping that cream up. I'll assemble mine, you assemble yours?
Sure.
Working together to get the job done.
You can do it two ways. You can simply just place your biscuit in your bowl, top it with your peaches, your strawberries, your whipped cream, and your pecans. Or you can actually slice your biscuit in half and kind of fill it more like a sandwich. Not that you would eat it that way, but you could stack it either. It's delicious no matter how you eat it. Whether you slice it or cut it or smush it or anything. It is summery. It's so good. Take it to a party or just make 6 biscuits and eat them yourselves while you watch TV. That's what we do.
Just make sure you get your peaches at peachtruck.com because if you think, peach is a peach, that's just not true. And I've learned that.
Yep.
Because of the Peach Truck.
Yep.
Cool. Should the sun up just be like me taking this like
giant bite.
No.
No, that is not the sign off. The sign off will now officially be, bye everybody, I love you. I love you a lot, like more than you'll ever.